My name is Hitoshi Nishitani. I'm the owner of Aoki. We've been open for 27 years. I came here somewhere in 1979. I really like it. So I started going to school for just speaking English because I didn't speak anything. But then I was young, so I drank a lot too. So I just learned little by little. I like cooking. I was going to go to a cooking school, but I ended up I go to electric thing. So I was working for electrician for a while. But I love to cooking, so finally my dream come true kind of. Lots of rolls these days. Probably economy is not great right now, so people are ordering more like a uramaki, rising outside thing. So, fills you up. We sell lots of California rolls and spicy tuna rolls, spider rolls, and, one of those things. How to cook rice, you have to be not too much water, not too fast, so kind of perfect. Basically vinegar, sugar, and salt, and then cut it, and then use a pan to cool it off. I grew up in Osaka. Osaka is the best place to eat. There's lots of food and lots of good food. I don't know, but then I heard it somewhere way down. They don't have fresh seafood, so they put some avocado and something else, and then they sell it, and it was pretty popular. Avocado, cucumber, smelt roll, and then crab, which is we use snow crab, half, fish cake, and then mix with the mayonnaise and roll. Nowadays, the machine does it. Every time there's like a nice perfect size. But then if you use a hand, you have to kind of practice. If you too less rice, then you're going to be like a real thin, sad roll. You have to have a sharp knife. And if you make a roll, don't put too much rice. That's a common mistake. That's about it. So you roll a couple times and then if you looks like a pretty fat, that means that you put too much inside. But the rice on the outside is much easier. You can put quite a lot on the inside, and still you can roll. Uramaki, hosomaki. Maki is roll. And hoso means the thin, skinny. A lot of people put too much soy sauce. Put too much soy sauce. Sometimes I see they eat rolls with a full of soy sauce, and they dip in and leave there and talking, and then I turn around upside down and then still talking, and they shake and they eat. That's no good. Not too much. Just a tiny bit soy sauce. That's about it.